Right now, Cleveland police say they are seeing fewer reported cases of sexual assaults and rape in our area.
On the surface, it sounds like good news, but when you dig a little deeper, things might be more troubling than they seem. Meg Shaw is here to explain the discrepancy.
Hey, good morning, Danita and Katie. Well, new data from the Cleveland Police Department shows that reported rape cases were down more than 15% in 2020. But the thing is, that doesn't necessarily mean that the number of rapes happening in the city dropped as well.
Numbers can be misleading.
I think there's a distinction between the number of rapes and sexual assaults that occur and the number that are reported to formal authorities like a police department.
And in the year that was quickly defined by a global pandemic, the drop in reported rape cases could actually have a troubling cause.
I think this report is an indication that people do not feel safe coming forward.
Sandra Miller is the president and CEO of the Cleveland Rape Crisis Center. She says even though police reports are down, they saw a 2% increase in survivors seeking their services.
On an average day, there are a lot of barriers for survivors to report their assault to police. COVID puts that many more barriers at play.
The pandemic has left some feeling they have to risk their health to get the help they need.
We have heard from survivors on our hotline that they have concerns about going to a hospital emergency department to have a sexual assault exam completed. They're afraid they'll go to a hospital and contract COVID.
And for those confined to their homes with their abusers, it's been a nightmare.
We are hearing from survivors that they can't get out of their house, and the support system that they typically would lean on is not available to them right now.
So no matter when you're able to ask for help,
we have heard from survivors who call us from the parking lot of the grocery store because that's the only time that they can get away. We are getting a lot of texts and chats from survivors saying, I can't make a phone call to you because my abuser can hear the conversation, but I can text you quietly in the corner.
Miller says the Cleveland Rape Crisis Center will be there, ready to get you the services you need.
We're here for you, whether it is a phone call or a text or an online chat, or you decide to physically walk into our offices.
Now, she also tells us there could be one pandemic effect contributing to the lower number of rape cases last year. She says with bars and restaurants being closed, there could be fewer acquaintance rapes happening across our city. Of course, anytime that you need help or the number to call the Cleveland Rape Crisis Center, we have that on our News 5 app and news5cleveland.com. Reporting live, I'm Meg Shaw, News 5.